Good day to you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Tessa Lofada, 45 years of age, married, and blessed to have one son. Is now 13 years old. My educational achievement: I graduated a vocational course of pharmacy, and I have 10 years experience as a domestic helper in 3 countries. First, it was in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 6 years in one employer. I served a 5 family, 2 adult and 3 children, ages 5, 3, and newborn baby. My duties is to taking care of the newborn baby, feeding, giving milk, changing diaper and clothes, and bathing. And if mom at home, I do cooking, cleaning, and ironing. Second, it was in Hong Kong, 2 years, and I served a family of 4, 2 adult and 2 children, ages 4 and 2 years old. My duties is to taking care of the kids, assist them to take a shower, help them to do homework, play with them, uh, reading stories at bedtime, and changing clothes, and sending to a school or any activities, and preparing their breakfast and lunch box. Also, I do cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, and car washing. Third, it was in Singapore of 2 years and 5 months. And I served a family of 3, 2 elderly and 1 adult. My duties is to taking care of Akong, assist him to walk, give food, give medicine, help him to take a shower, and sending him to the dialysis center by a wheelchair. And I know a basic food like chicken rice, steamed fish, steamed egg, stir-fried vegetables, grilled beef, meat soup, ABC soup, and I want to learn more cuisine. To my future employer, I obey your rules and regulation in your house. And I'm honest, trustworthy, patiently, loving, and caring. I hope you choose me as your new helper, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.